I made a dumb decision and decided to turn my car black, except for anything dark brown. So this tan ass Lincoln Continental has two black door panels, black headliner, ABC pillars. What do you call that? The package shelf or whatever is now blue. Anyway, I want to take out my seats because tomorrow getting this sucker washed, and I'm gonna clean out, vacuum out this nasty ass carpet, and it also will be turning black. So real quick, these seats aren't that bad, at least mine weren't. You had these two plastic covers here. Just pry them off. They sit kind of like this. Get a screwdriver underneath, pop the sucker up. This is an 18 millimeter nut. This is a 13 millimeter nut on the passenger side. All you gotta do is just slide the seat forward, and they come loose actually fairly easy. I did use some deep well impact looking sockets that I bought at Harbor Freight because Harbor Freight. Anyway, I didn't know if the top of the bolt would be a problem or not with my standard sockets. If you got a deep well socket, it doesn't have to be impact level, whatever, just what you got. Let me show you the front. Fortunately, the two bolts up here are also 13 millimeter, and again, you may have some covers. Just pop them loose with a screwdriver and either keep them for later or chunk them. I know there's going to be some type of electrical connector. Let's see what we got. And yeah, see this? This looks like a freaking crime scene, man. Like, is this where they beat Jimmy Hoffa to death? Is this the car they used when they drove in the Giant Stadium? I don't know. But black hides everything. And yes, don't worry, I'm gonna clean it. I got some stuff. All right, there was connectors, and they're all different. This is your typical, clap spin. You got one like this, you push. This one, however, I don't know why, but they pop in. You have to push this top one here towards the harness coming out of the floor pan, and then it pops loose. And then this guy here just pops loose as well. So there, seat's loose. Now I can get the sucker out and get this crime scene cleaned up. For obvious reasons, I'm not doing the same thing to my driver's side. I will be popping the back seats out and loose too. So, yep, I'll show you that in a minute. Don't forget to unclip your wiring harness from the seat frame. That's very helpful when you're trying to take a seat out. All right, this back seat was a bit of a hassle. You gotta reach underneath, look for this clip. You notice it kind of hooks in because there's a bar right there, and you get it right. You find this, you find this right here, you push, and it lifts and pulls itself out. I don't know if I need to, if I actually want to remove the actual back seats or not. Like, the reason why is because I'm not ready to turn those black, so to speak. I got some ideas for that, but I'm not quite ready for that yet. But at the same time, if I got the back bench already taken out, why not, right? Just drive around in a gutted Lincoln Continental for whatever reason. Like, I really don't know why I'm doing this, except that I got a wild hair up my ass. That's about it. Anyway, time for some Lone Star. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section, and like and follow if you can.